Dressing your home with greenery not only looks good, it can help to make you feel good too. These are Northcote Potteries Hayley tripod pots, which come in these 3 gorgeous colours which are exclusive to Mitre 10. Now they're cover pots, which means they're kind of like seasonal jackets for your indoor plants, but it also means that they have no drainage hole at the bottom. Now that's because we don't want water spilling out onto our beautiful furniture and floors, but what it also means is that pot does not drain. That means you should never plant directly into a cover pot. So what you need to do is go to your Mitre 10, pick out the perfect indoor plant that's in a grower's pot like this, that plonks perfectly into your cover pot. But what happens if you find the perfect indoor plant and it's not quite in the right size pot? Well, you can quite simply upsize the grower's pot by repotting. I'm giving this plant a new home into a grower's pot that fits perfectly into our cover pot. But you can also repot your plants to give them a new lease on life. It's a great way to keep them healthy so they can keep you healthy. Now just make sure you use an indoor potting mix that's tailor-made for your indoor plants. Now this one is fantastic because it's specially formulated to help keep those pesky fungus gnats away. Did you know that the biggest killer of our indoor plants is overwatering? We tend to kill them with love. So just a tip for you, you should never water directly into a cover pot. So each time you need to water, just simply take your plant out, pop it in the sink, water it, let it drain, and then plonk it back into your cover pot. See? It fits perfectly. You know, I'm also always surprised by how many people don't feed their indoor garden, because if you feed, you'll see an enormous difference in the growth and performance of your plants, and it's so easy to do. So I'm a big fan of this product. This is Scott's Osmocote Pour and Feed for indoor plants. So it's a ready-to-use liquid fertilizer, and all you do is quite simply pour it into the cap and then pour it around the base of your indoor plants. And because it's a liquid fertilizer, it's really fast acting, so you see visible results within 7 days. Just apply it every 2 weeks to your indoor plants. And if you want to give them a real treat, then make sure you give them some mist and feed from time to time. So this is a foliar fertilizer. You quite simply spray it onto the foliage of your indoor plants, and the plant will absorb the nutrients it needs. And because it's a mist, it forms a nice bit of humidity around the canopy, which your indoor plants will love. The perfect pot paired with the perfect plant can really transform your whole home. So now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your indoor garden.